Want to make your home smarter, smoother, and seriously stress-free? These genius Amazon household gadgets tackle cleaning, organizing, and everyday tasks, so you don't have to lift a finger. From clever storage hacks to time-saving tools, life just got a whole lot easier. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Tired of touching gross trash? This smart trash can opens with just a wave of your hand or a gentle knee tap. When you're ready, it self-seals the bag with a simple press, packing the garbage without you ever touching it. Once the bag is full, it automatically replaces it with a fresh one, saving you time and hassle. Voice prompts guide you through every step, and it comes with 6 refill rings, so you're stocked for months. Long battery life keeps it running smoothly, making trash duty almost enjoyable. Keep your floors spotless without bending or touching anything. This automatic shoe cover dispenser wraps your shoes in protective film the moment you step on it. A sharp stainless steel blade cuts each cover perfectly, giving you up to 500 uses per roll. It fits shoes up to size 11 and sticks securely without slipping, so everyone, from guests to staff, stays clean. Sleek, compact, and sturdy, it works anywhere from homes to offices, labs, or exhibitions. Ditch scrubbing forever with this handheld dishwashing machine. Just fill it with soap and water, and it spins to clean your dishes automatically. Its compact design fits right in your hand, making washing plates, bowls, or cups faster and easier. Perfect for kitchens with limited space, it saves you time and effort on every load. Lightweight and easy to store, it turns dish duty into a simple, stress-free task. Serving everyone at the table just got easier. This patented Lazy Susan spins smoothly, letting everyone grab their favorite dish without reaching or passing plates. It expands to fit rectangular or oblong tables, so no one misses out. Heat-resistant trays handle hot dishes, and the non-slip surface keeps everything in place. Quick to assemble and easy to clean, it's perfect for family meals, parties, or holiday gatherings. Pop open wine in seconds without struggling. This electric corkscrew does all the work. Just place it on the bottle, press a button, and your wine is ready to serve. It's rechargeable and can open up to 30 bottles on a single charge, perfect for parties or quiet nights in. Sleek and compact, it stores easily without taking up much space. Comes with a foil cutter, making every bottle opening effortless and elegant. Tired of messy cords cluttering your kitchen? These cord organizers keep wires neat and tangle-free with a simple stick-on design. Made from soft, bendable rubber, they fit flat or curved appliances perfectly. The super sticky adhesive holds firmly but removes cleanly when needed. Easy to attach and reusable, they work with mixers, coffee makers, blenders, and more. With everything organized, cooking and cleaning become smoother and faster. Say goodbye to uneven bread slices forever. This hand-crank bread slicer lets you adjust thickness from thin toast to hearty slices with clear markings for precision. Sharp, serrated stainless steel blades cut crusty sourdough and soft loaves evenly every time. Suction cups hold it steady on your countertop, making slicing smooth and safe. Compact, sturdy, and stylish, it's perfect for all kinds of bread and a thoughtful gift for baking lovers. Work, eat, or relax without leaving your bed or couch. This adjustable overbed table moves smoothly on hidden wheels and tucks neatly under furniture when not in use. The gas spring lift lets you change height effortlessly with one hand from sitting to standing positions. Its spacious surface fits laptops, tablets, or breakfast plates, making it perfect for work or meals. Lightweight, sturdy, and easy to assemble, it's a versatile addition to any home or office. Swipe, scroll, and control without ever touching your phone. This wearable ring lets you scroll TikTok, turn Kindle pages, or snap photos with just a flick of your finger. Bluetooth connectivity works with iPhone, Android, and PC, keeping you hands-free and cozy. Multifunction touchpad and buttons give full control from across the room. Perfect for workouts, video calls, or capturing memories without missing a moment. Need light, but want your hands free? These LED flashlight gloves put a bright beam right at your fingertips. Perfect for camping, fishing, repairs, or any nighttime project, they act like a third hand. Adjustable straps fit most hands, and soft, breathable fabric keeps them comfortable while you work. Lightweight, waterproof, and ready to use, they're a fun and practical gift for anyone who loves gadgets. Say goodbye to crushed chips and soggy snacks. This mini bag sealer cuts and seals your bags in one simple move, smarter than scissors or clips. USB-C rechargeable means it's always ready, no batteries to swap. A built-in magnet lets you stick it on the fridge, so it's handy wherever you need it. Just clamp, slide, and your chips, cookies, or pet food stay fresh longer. Tired of juggling bottles in the shower? This 360 degrees rotating corner caddy keeps everything within reach. 4 spacious tiers spin effortlessly so you can grab shampoo, soap, or body wash without stretching. The height is adjustable, so kids can't reach sharp items and adults can customize it for comfort. Rust-proof metal and sturdy plastic mean it lasts in humid bathrooms. No drilling needed, just tension mount, and it's ready to go. Say goodbye to touching grimy toilet lids. This foot-operated lifter lets you raise and lower the seat hands-free. Just step on the pedal and the lid moves smoothly. No bending or dirtying your hands. It works with most toilets and stays secure with a non-slip base. Perfect for kids, seniors, or anyone who wants a cleaner, more convenient bathroom experience at home or in public spaces. Stop shivering the moment you step inside. This compact space heater warms up in just 2 seconds thanks to fast PTC ceramic technology. Set the temperature and timer on the LED display, then relax while it quietly keeps your space cozy. Built-in safety features protect against overheating, and the plug-in design fits any outlet without hassle. Perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, or offices. It's warmth exactly when and where you need it. Charge everything without leaving the couch. This sofa socket gives you 1 outlet and 2 fast USB ports right where you relax. The pop-out arm secures it inside your sofa or armchair, keeping devices close at hand. A 10-foot cord reaches any wall outlet, and the low-profile plug hides neatly behind furniture. Smart USB charging adapts to your devices, powering them quickly and safely while you stay comfy. Making dumplings just got fun and fast. This 2-in-1 dumpling press forms 2 dumplings at a time in just a second, then drops them neatly onto your plate. Press, seal, and your dumplings are perfectly shaped with tight edges that won't crack while cooking. Kids and adults can join in, making mealtime a hands-on family activity. Made from food-safe ABS and stainless steel, it's easy to clean and built to last. Packing toiletries just got way easier. This 4-in-1 travel dispenser keeps shampoo, lotion, soap, and more neatly organized in one compact set. Leak-proof bottles mean no messy spills in your bag, and each one is reusable, saving you waste while traveling. Lightweight and compact, it fits perfectly in carry-ons, purses, or gym bags. Whether for trips, work, or the gym, your essentials stay tidy and ready to use. Turn your paper projects into works of art. This 4-in-1 trimmer cuts straight, wavy, dotted lines, and even creases for folding. Just rotate the dial, press, and slide to get precise cuts every time. Perfect for photos, cards, coupons, or scrapbooks. It handles a few sheets at once without hassle. Transparent guides keep lines straight, making DIY crafts, memory books, and greeting cards easier and more fun. Cold feet are a thing of the past. This underdesk heater wraps your legs and feet in cozy warmth, keeping you comfortable at work or home. 3 adjustable heat settings let you choose the perfect temperature, while the zippered top keeps warmth inside. Quiet, energy-saving, and safe with tip-over protection, it works anywhere. Offices, dorms, or studios. Lightweight and portable, it's the perfect way to stay toasty without cranking the whole room's heat. Take your selfies and videos to the next level. This creator kit combines a magnetic phone grip with a 360 degrees rotatable selfie light and built-in mirror. Snap photos or record hands-free with the wireless shutter, while the magnetic mount attaches easily to iPhone or Android. Compact and travel-ready, it keeps your gear organized wherever you go. Use the pieces together or separately to get the perfect shot every time. Making meatballs has never been this easy. This handy shaker mold forms perfectly round balls in seconds. No rolling or mess. Just fill, shake, and your meatballs or rice balls are ready to cook. Made from safe, durable materials, it works at home, in restaurants, or for parties. Simple, fun, and fast, it turns everyday cooking into a little culinary adventure. Track your progress without guesswork. This smart tape measure connects to an app to record your body stats automatically. Large LCD numbers make readings easy, while the retractable hook lets you measure waist, hips, arms, and more all by yourself. Perfect for fitness enthusiasts, muscle gain, or weight loss. It stores multiple user profiles for the whole family. Compact and portable. It goes wherever you go, so you never miss a measurement. Say goodbye to warm drinks in an instant. This rapid drink chiller cools cans and bottles in just minutes, so soda, beer, or juice is ice cold fast. No fizzing, no mess, just refreshing beverages ready when you are. Compact and portable, it's perfect for parties, picnics, or tailgates. Easy to use and built to last. It keeps your drinks chilled wherever fun takes you. Moving heavy stuff upstairs just got easy. This powered stair climbing dolly handles bulky items like TVs, refrigerators, and appliances with a 120-watt motor. Its 6 wheels and anti-slip crawler keep load stable while climbing stairs or rolling on flat surfaces. One person can operate it safely and efficiently with a secure strap to hold everything in place. Durable, quiet, and powerful. It's perfect for homes, offices, or warehouses. Make every sink smarter and more flexible. This swivel faucet extender rotates 360 degrees so you can wash dishes, rinse veggies, or even wash your face and hair with ease. 2 spray modes let you switch from gentle bubble flow to a powerful rinse in seconds. Solid brass construction with a multi-layer filter keeps water clean while saving space in your sink. Easy to install and adjustable, it turns any faucet into a versatile, hands-free helper. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.